Welcome to my math party, people. In this video, I'm going to show you a problem that has no formula, no strict process to follow. This is a word problem where you, as the reader, as the test taker, you got to figure out what to do. So I'm going to show you exactly what to do right now. Let's go ahead and get started. And as always, first step is read the question. So, first step, let's go. Read the question and it says, where is Christopher now in relation to where he started? Okay, sweet. So what I'm looking to do here is understand where Christopher is now. I can assume safely that, well, something happened. Christopher was somewhere before, and now he's somewhere now. We got to figure out where he is now relative or compared to where he was before. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and take down the information. Let's take down the information. We see that it says, hey, Christopher, right here, marks where he is currently standing with a piece of tape. Okay, so right here with a piece of tape. Then he takes 9 steps to the right, 19 steps to the left, 18 steps to the left, and 2 steps to the right. Where is he now? Okay, so if we go ahead and look at this problem, again, there's no formula for this. We actually just have to look at the story of the problem and then follow that story, and we're nice and good. So let's go ahead and check this out. This is where you are when he starts. It says, okay, I'm going to say 9 steps to the right over here. Then it says 19 steps to the left, so I'll use red for that. 19 steps to the left, so I'll kind of do something like that. And then 18 to the left after that, so I obviously don't have that much room, so I'll just go ahead and do this. And then we have 2 steps to the right again. Something like that. So, if you want to visualize it, that's pretty much how you can visualize it. But if you want to get to the answer, really what the hidden little secret here is that we're dealing with positives and negatives in a word problem. So basically, if you want to talk about to the right, we can consider that positive, and if we're looking to the left, we can consider that negative. And if we add all these numbers up, considering again to the right is positive, left being negative 19, negative 18, and then that last 2 steps to the right as positive, if we add all of this together, we'll see where Christopher ends up. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and actually lay out the math and solve it. But right before I do, remember that if you're watching this video the day it came out or anywhere near it, on Monday coming up, I got a special surprise for you. On Monday, we're actually going to be going over a practice test that I just released on my website. So if you look at the link in the description of this video, there's a link to that practice test. And if you already have my registration for the free class and that free test that I released a while ago, you're going to see that it's also in that course. So just log into your account and you'll see it in there, or you can click the link in the description of this video, or go ahead and scan that QR code right there. Long story short, we're going to be going over the practice test on Monday. So go ahead, download the practice test, print it out if you want to, try it out, and we'll go over all the problems in that class. I'll see you there. So let's go ahead and get into it here. Again, we have 9, then we have minus 19. If we take away 19 from 9, that's going to be negative 10. You have to know how to deal with positives and negatives. So here, a positive, taking away a big number, just subtract them. 19 minus 9 is 10, but it'll end up being negative 10. Then, so we took care of this and this. Now we have negative 18. So I'll go ahead and subtract 18. Negative 10 minus 18, that'll end up being negative 28. And then we have that plus 2 at the end right there. So we'll add 2 to this, and that'll end up being negative 26. So because it's a negative number, we can assume that that is to the left, okay? That's going to be to the left. So 26 to the left, and boom, we are good. So there it is, my math party people. Did you like this? Go ahead and give me a comment here. Let me know if this was helpful, if this was a unique problem that you enjoyed trying, and I'll be more than happy to make more for you. But again, if you're coming to a class coming soon on Monday night at 6 p.m. Eastern time, make sure to click the link in the description because, again, we have released a brand new practice test, and we plan on doing this very frequently, and we'll go over them in these classes. So go ahead, click that link, get registered, and I'll see you in that class on Monday. Cheers, my party people. Let's ace the ASVAB.